Right. Having a negative credit card on your consumer report is not the end of the world. You can delete a credit card account from there. So there's a few ways you can get it done. One, you can use the opt-out method. This letter below has all the instructions that you need. But furthermore, you can also use 15 USC 1681A 2B, and it speaks about the exclusion section and how a specific line of credit is not included on the consumer report. So a combination of 15 USC 6802 and 15 USC 1681A 2B is what you use to get rid of negative credit cards from your consumer report. You need the template. The template is down below. Get the template, go delete your negative credit card. You have yourself an amazing day.